In this video, I'll show you how to track business expenses in Freshbooks. First, sign into your Freshbooks account on your desktop. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Expenses from the left-hand menu. Next, click New Expense to add a business expense manually. A new expense page will open where you can enter the details. After that, enter the expense amount, vendor name, category, and date. Make sure all the information is accurate before continuing. Now, if you have a receipt, upload it by clicking the Receipt Upload option. Freshbooks can store your receipts along with the expense record for easy reference later. Next, choose the appropriate expense category. This helps keep your records organized and makes reporting more accurate. After that, save the expense. The transaction will now appear in your expense list. Now, continue adding your business expenses as they occur. You can track office supplies, travel costs, software subscriptions, utilities, and other business-related expenses. Next, review your expenses section regularly to make sure all transactions are categorized correctly. After that, use the reporting tools in Freshbooks to view expense summaries and monitor your business spending over time. Finally, keep your expense records updated so your financial reports remain accurate and organized throughout the year. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track business expenses in Freshbooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.